Hi, I'm Jenny Pace, and this is A Little Better. This summer on the Better Business podcast, I'm releasing a capsule collection of shorter episodes that you can dip into for inspiration. They are released on Fridays throughout August and September, and full episodes will be back in October. Today's Little Better episode is my first sweary podcast episode. I mostly try to avoid swearing because as a podcast listener, I sometimes listen with kids around and I want you to be able to listen whenever works for you too. But today I could not get around this one. We need the swears. So if you're up for that, if you're able to listen without little ears in the room too, then let's dive in. So beyond swearing, this episode is about the need to focus in business so that you can actually make progress and see the success you're dreaming of. Here's the backstory. A few years ago, I had a photography studio in addition to my coaching business. It was something that I built because I really saw a need with my clients for high quality product photos and content. And I found a talented team to help me produce product photos and content for product-based businesses. My incredibly talented sister, who is now a fancy pants producer for Adidas, Holly, was the studio manager, and we had such a blast working together. We had daily conversations about the priorities for the team and what we were working on. In her wisdom and with her deep wit, she said something to me that I have never forgotten, and in fact it became a bit of a theme for us when we were working together. So one day I had shared my to-do list with her and she said, "Are you trying to ship miracles today? It really seems like you're trying to ship miracles." And my friends, she was right. The to-do list was not realistic. It was based on the idea that miracles would appear from nowhere. Don't get me wrong, I believe in magic and miracles daily, regularly, unexpectedly. I believe that so much of our life is miraculous. However, basing the success or even the viability of your business on overcoming the odds, being superhuman, and miracles just happening all the time is not the way to go. If you need a series of miracles in order to get through the day or week, every day or week, then you need to take another look. There is a reason I don't have a photography studio anymore. Since then, I have honed and developed a talent: focus and flow. Focus to dial in on the things that move my business forward, my clients' businesses forward, and have the greatest impact. Flow to allow the things that trip me up or ask me to ship miracles, asking them to just flow away. I've always been kind of good at prioritizing. It's a strength that I have quite naturally. These days, it is more than just a kind of good skill. It's the first place I start, and it's a huge part of how I help my clients and collective members. The first step for you listening, for us as humans in business, is to realize that focus is your friend. Focus allows you to create meaningful, profitable business with your sanity intact. It is not about doing more to make more. That is a fallacy. You probably already know that somewhere in your bones, but I'm here to remind you of it again. By reducing your focus to 2 or 3 key projects, you actually increase your productivity overall. Focus means that you can complete projects in a way that feels really good and has the desired results, rather than being all over the place with 10,000 things that you're kind of doing half-heartedly. Focus allows you to be all in on the things that matter. If you're ready to learn how to focus, how to choose those 2 or 3 key projects, curious about the systems that I use to keep me focused, or want to just stop waiting for miracles just to get through the day, You can join me for a free workshop on how to find and keep your focus as a creative business owner on Friday the 10th of September at 10:30. I will include the link to sign up to that free workshop in the show notes. You can also head to my website, thejennypace.com, and find me on Instagram at thejennypace to find out more information about that workshop. I'm sending you lots of focus for your day, and I hope that this makes your week a little better.